Dino pals everywhere with big friendly eyes. The teachers at Triceratops, wise and kind. She gave Baby Dino a warm hug to unwind. The classroom was lively, colorful and neat. A giant dino puzzle sat at their feet. Baby Dino's heart raced with joy and cheer. Dino School was way better than he feared. Baby Dino's off to school, oh what a sight. He's got his friends and it feels just right. More stop, laugh and play all day. Baby Dino's in school, hooray, hooray. The class was learning letters A, B, C. With dino eggs and stomps they learned happily. Counting with dino eggs, 1, 2, 3. Baby Dino roared, learning's fun for me. Art time came and Baby Dino was bold. He painted his picture with colors so gold. He drew his friends and his heart felt so full. He couldn't wait for more, school was so cool. Baby Dino's off to school, oh what a sight. He's got his friends and it feels just right. Roar, stomp, laugh and play all day. Baby Dino's in school, hooray, hooray. Recess time came and Baby Dino ran with T-Rex by his side, playing hand in hand. They slid down a dino slide, big and wide, laughing and roaring as they took the ride.